Very cool. Lahore, Karachi, Lahore. Okay, this is really good. I think we should start. Yeah. One last second and then let's start. 30, more than expected. But someone left. Oh, they came back. All right. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. So this is a sneak peek of something that we have been building quietly for the last few months, actually. So last year I was with Ambiance Hotels. I was the wellness manager for their Hunza hotel specifically, and I was managing, the wellness center. Plus, I was also organizing retreats for them. Soon, I realized that it's not for me. Why? Because I was spending a lot of hours, and I was compromising on my health. So I decided that I don't want to do it. Came back to Karachi. Before I left Ambiance, I had decided that I would like to start working on calories again. So this is something that we have been working on since like July last year. So today I'll show you what calories does and why we built it and how you can actually use it in real life. All right. So a little bit about me, for those of you who don't know me. I have spent years, working with clients on nutrition, fat loss, and then one problem that kept coming up over and over again was people really struggle to understand their nutrition. Okay, so again, I am not just a nutritionist, right? I focus on practical, sustainable strategies and not fad diets. And working with other nutritionists, we've helped thousands of people reach their goals without giving up the foods they love. So that's who I am a little bit more. This is a personal, I think a little too personal, but yeah, I would like to just mention this as well. So that you know that I'm not just some random person who's on the internet who's built this app and is just out preaching nutrition. So my background is in computer sciences. I've studied communication and design, and in 2016, I got diagnosed with arthritis. Now this is when I was at my peak physique, right? I thought that I was the healthiest, the fittest. I also won Mr. Karachi East. Next year, I got diagnosed with cancer for the first time. So that happened. I think that was the turning point for me where I decided that I don't want to do computer sciences anymore. I don't want to study communication design. I wanted to understand why whatever happened to me. So I started diving deeper into the science of nutrition. And yeah, since then I've amassed 20 plus certifications. I am one of the 5 evidence-based nutrition coaches in Pakistan. You must have heard of the other one, who's Samit, another famous one. Him and I, we run Project FOMO. So Project FOMO is our online community coaching platform that we have been, running since 2024. We work with thousands of clients over there, and our goal is to educate and empower people. But again, see, when there's human labor or human effort is involved, you can't really scale that. So scaling में बहुत ज़्यादा हमें जब issues आते हैं, and which is something that we needed to cater to, right? So the gap in Pakistani industry is massive, and there are only a handful of people who are actually doing the job, and who actually know what they're doing. So I thought, how about we build something that is scalable, that can be reached to millions of people, and so that we can help people move away from, just charlatans on the internet, people who are just talking nonsense. So that's why the idea for Calories was born. Okay, and next I'm going to show you what we can do with Calories and what our vision is. Okay, so before we move forward, there's just a very quick question. I think we have the poll ready for this. Yeah, so Shiza is going to turn on the poll. Just answer in the poll. Just give me a sec. Not in the chat though. I mean, I can see that you have been tracking. Okay. So tried but quit, tried but quit. I would like to know though, like why did you quit? So kind of is saying that she's been tracking. Uh, Please go and answer on the poll. That would be really helpful because then we'll be able to track what is happening. Um,
So 5 for yeah.
okay. Ida was successfully losing weight, got live. Sorry, live got in the way of to stop. But how is calorie tracking, like, really equal of weight loss per se, right? There is an option right at the top. So you can answer poll at the top. Is there any way we can share the link to people? Maybe yes, no. Okay. No, it's good. I think we've got the answer. So wasn't consistent that I tried doing it Gemini by sending him pictures of food. Gemini? Is that your coach or the AI? Picture of food and track calories. Okay. Wasn't consistent with it. Gemini is a he. Yeah, okay, cool. Makes sense. Okay, the results are pretty cool. I'm a final year student, nutrition and diet student, so yeah. Interesting. So the problem I faced was that usually the recipes and foods ads we're talking about didn't cater to the Pakistani diet as well. Exactly, Nabia. That's the issue that we've been facing as well. Using ChatGPT and tracking calories through an Indian app. Interesting. Kumil, आपको उसमें कोई फायदा हो रहा है? Do you think ChatGPT is helping you, or tracking through the Indian app is also helping you or not? And I also find logging this is a bit difficult. Yeah, that's an issue with I think a lot of us. Okay, so moving on. See, this is what the nutrition advice on the internet looks like, right? So जब आप देख internet खोले कोई ना कोई आके इस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहा होता है. You must be keto. You should do intermittent fasting. There's this weird kind of a fear around carbs or foods like this brownie. And it just, I mean, they don't tell you why, right? But they just tell you that you should stay clear of these kind of foods. People are selling detox teas, again, not explaining why you need them. They just say, oh, it detoxes your liver, so you lose weight. No, you don't. I can literally give you a diet plan, which if you follow, and if you drink like 10 and 15 cups of these detox teas, you won't lose an inch or a pound of weight. And then no sugar, no dal, no roti, no chawal. So this advice is on the internet. It works because restriction works. So when you restrict an entire food group, you lose fat because you have literally limited your so many calories all at once. So this is what the nutrition advice on the internet looks like. And the problem is that nutrition shouldn't be this confusing. Right, so most people today are surrounded by nutrition information, sure, but instead of clarity, they get confusion. People don't really know how many calories they need. They struggle to track real meals, as many of you have just also written in the chat. And then when progress really stalls, people don't have any idea what to change, right? So ये तो अभी scaling वाली बात हो रही है कि we can't really carry a scale everywhere. So not knowing how one much is consuming, sure, that is a little hard to log. See, this is where tracking prior or just guesstimating on the go can really help. Or now with our tool, we can snap a picture, give it some context, and we can track that as well. And I'll show you how you can do that. So Kainat is using MyFitnessPal for the longest. The paid account really works well. Yeah, Tracker got Cal app, by logging this good in a different. Interesting. Scaling and memorizing items is active for later tracking. Yeah, true, Komal. So you can take a picture, you can track it later back and you can't really know. So we have a fix for that as well. So again, most calorie applications that we have available right now, they're basically food diaries, right? Am I right? Please let me know in the chat. जो जितनी भी हमारी अब जैसे MyFitnessPal की बात हो रही है, it's a diary. So अब मैं MyFitnessPal में लिखूं या फिर मैं अपने notes में जाके लिखूं, it's the same thing. It's not really helping you understand कि आप खा क्या रहे हैं, कितना खा रहे हैं, उससे क्या impact हो रहा है body पे, right? And even then, जो MyFitnessPal का हमारा food database है, it's entirely flawed. Not entirely, but maybe 80% of it is flawed because उसमें जो entries हैं वो user generated हैं. So people who have no idea how to track any food, अगर वो भी track करें वो जाके save हो रही है, and then if I save something like बिरयानी 1 plate और उसमें सिर्फ चावल हो और उसके अंदर अगर कोई प्रोटीन ना हो, if I save it, you can access it and you can track it if you don't have any idea कि ये क्या कर रहा है, right? So we need to be able to tell कि हाँ जो हम खा रहे हैं वो क्या है, कितना है, और उसको कैसे track करना है. So MyFitnessPal is a huge range of one single item and all of them have different calories. Exactly, Komal. That's another issue. Aisha, and how much you're supposed to eat, no app tells you that. Aisha, वो तो हम कोई नहीं बताता. You have calories and you know your body's energy requirement. तो जो आप खा रहे हैं वो आप खुद से जो है वो decide कर सकते हैं. But again, यहाँ पे education होनी चाहिए, यहाँ पे awareness होनी चाहिए. And these platforms, like platforms like MyFitnessPal or अगर Indian Healthify है, then these platforms should educate people, right? But वो नहीं करते. So ये सारे issues हैं जो कि as an end user and as a coach, I have experience working with people and I have experienced this myself. So let me show you one more thing. ये अभी आप जो बात कर रहे थे कि बहुत सारी items होते हैं उसमें different calories होती हैं. That is actually very true. So ये मैंने बिरयानी chicken track की, right? So I was just trying to track it like a layman person. Okay? मैंने लिखा बिरयानी, उसमें ये आ गया option. उसमें था one या कोमल आई नो वो Healthify में ही है जो कि Indian उन्होंने बहुत से ट्रैकर बनाया. अच्छा, about the biryani, sorry that's my ADHD switching back and forth. About the biryani, so मैंने कहा कि अगर कोई layman जो first time tracking कर रहा है, अगर वो उसको track करेगा, how would they do it? So they would, of course, like search for biryani, and then this option would pop up. अब number of servings के अंदर मैंने 35 लिखा because यहाँ पे 1 tablespoon है, but 1 tablespoon का मतलब क्या है? What exactly does that mean? So you search for biryani in the app, and suddenly you're a data scientist trying to figure out कि numbers हैं क्या? ये प्रोटीन इसमें 23 लिखा है, प्रोटीन आया कहाँ से? चावल से, आलू से, चिकन से, बीफ से, मटन से, या कोई और साथ में खाना खाया? You have no idea. And somehow this one plate becomes 800 calories or 1500. You would never know actually. So बिरयानी को अगर आप इस तरीके से ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, and if you have been tracking like this, then I'm really sorry to tell you, but you're doing it wrong. Unless इसके अंदर जब आप बिरयानी पे क्लिक करें वो आपको specific items देंगे उसके अंदर क्या यूज हुआ, so that when you adjust those items you track it accurately. अब इसमें एक और चीज देखें, ये जो आपकी बिरयानी की प्लेट है ना, now this could literally be say 300 grams of rice और उसके अंदर maybe एक छोटा सा उसका बोटी का पीस होगा, and maybe lots of oil because it's brought from outside. Again, so ये जो issues हैं tracking, so जो मैंने right पे लिखा है, it's literally a conversation with one of my clients earlier. So वो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि हाँ मैंने 1 प्लेट बिरयानी खाई. मैंने कहा what do you mean कि 1 प्लेट खाई है? उन्होंने कहा हाँ बस मैंने 1 प्लेट खाई है बाहर की. And I was trying to explain to them कि वो 1 प्लेट बिरयानी जो है वो 400 कैलोरीज भी हो सकती है और 1500 कैलोरीज भी हो सकती है, right? So yeah, what am I doing? Okay, so moving on. How Caloris works and what Caloris philosophy is. Again, so एक चीज मैंने बताई कि our goal is to educate and empower people. ठीक है? So this is the core idea behind Caloris. Now, tracking, right, food is only step one. The real value here, it comes from understanding what your data actually means and what you should do next. So अगर आपने अपनी calories पूरे दिन की track कर ली, आपको पता नहीं है कि आपने वो track किया क्या, that's one. Second, अगर आपने इसको accurately track भी कर लिया ना, how do you know you're actually making progress? You won't be able to move forward if you don't know what you're doing. So what Caloris does is, sure, it helps you track food, right? But it also helps you understand your nutrition. You can get guidance when your progress stalls. आपको हर चीज एक at a glance नजर आ रही है. So Sameet and I, whatever we did with Project FOMO and whatever I did with my one-on-one clients, हमने वो सारा का सारा डेटा गैदर किया and we have literally given it to Caloris. Data in a sense कि लोग किस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं, उनका behavior क्या है, वो किस तरीके से चीजें ट्रैक करते हैं, उनको क्या क्या टूल्स चाहिए होते हैं, how do these clients they make sense of this data. So we designed Caloris around 3 simple ideas कि एक तो tracking आपकी easy होनी चाहिए, people should be able to understand their data, and then this application Caloris, whatever they're using, either it's a coach or this kind of an application, it should provide guidance when people actually need it, right? So a little overview of what Calories has. So Calories के अंदर you will find a progress dashboard. तो ये तो आपका at a glance आ जाएगा. This is very similar to MyFitnessPal. This is also very similar to Healthify Me. ताकि आपको पता है कि आपकी कैलोरी की रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है, आपने कितने स्टेप्स चलिए, स्लीप कैसी है, हाइड्रेशन, वाटर, सॉरी आपका बॉडी वेट आ जाएगा. अब इसके अंदर हम लोग जो है फ्रॉम अ कोचेस पीओवी हम इसके अंदर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल ऐड करेंगे फॉर वुमेन ताकि वो अपना साइकिल ट्रैक कर सकें. द रीजन इज all of these things, they influence your behavior, your food choices, your physical activity or lack of it, the kind of foods you're eating, right? Or getting more inclined to. So this application basically learns your patterns, your behavior based on what you're tracking. So अगर आप इसमें tracking करते जाएंगे, let's suppose आपने इसमें एक महीने का पूरा डेटा ट्रैक किया, अब आप उसको आके पूछेंगे जो सबसे लास्ट में कैल कोच है, कैल कोच के पास जाके बोलेंगे, hey listen, I don't think I'm losing any weight, can you tell me why? And maybe कुछ इस तरह के दिन थे जहाँ पे आपका कैलोरी इंटेक बढ़ गया था, but you didn't notice. Cal coach will, right? So Calories will have an idea about what is happening, what is going wrong, what is going right, and it can actually nudge you. It can tell you where you're making a mistake and how to improve on it based on your data, ताकि वो आपकी ही प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से पर्सनलाइज हो. सो पर्सनलाइजेशन जो पर्सनलाइजेशन है वो हमने बहुत आपके लिए इजी कर दी. हमने आपके पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज करना बहुत आसान कर दिए. थिंग्स दैट आई वुड डू as your coach if we were working one-on-one, we would do it right here. Okay, so before we jump into the live demo, few things. Ever heard of this? Trust the process, right? But what process though? What does it even mean? What does it mean? Can you please tell me in the chat? So when we say trust the process, what do we mean by it? Because मैं इंटरनेट पे जो है ना वो हर कोच को देख रहा होता हूँ, हर ट्रेनर को देख रहा होता हूँ. They're like, do this and trust the process. You'll get to your goals. But what does it mean? Because अगर हम इस तरह के खाने खा रहे हैं, so process पे trust नहीं करना, अपनी tracking पे trust करना बहुत जरूरी है. Because I know for a fact कि जब लोग इस तरह के खाने देखते हैं, like यार, how do we even track these foods? They have no clue. And then what happens is when you track inaccurately for a while, and then you go and step on the scale and be like, मेरा तो weight 70 किलो था, ये 74 कैसे हो गया, ये 75 किस तरह हो गया. So yeah, so maybe like count on what you're practicing, but then the practice is more damaging than healthy. Show patience, give things time. First show that it be. लगे रहो, Pakistani version of trust the process. I mean that's more like consistent or consistency, right? So perseverance हो गया, बस लगे रहो. आप जीतो या हारो, लगे रहो. Right? ऐसा ही है इसके अंदर. Cool. But yeah, so I want you people to not feel like that fourth image on the right side, right? This is the look when you step on the scale and you actually start acting like it. So now I'm going to show you a couple of demos as well. But before we get into that, I want you to share your understanding of nutrition and these plates. So this is anda paratha. How many calories do you think it has? Answer in the poll. Track very easily. That's very easy. What are you going to track answers? What does it easily mean to you? I'll show you what it means, right? 450 to 650. 650 to 850. Okay. Okay. They're probably the ones who have been struggling with the weight loss or whatever goals they have a lot. Acha, so Mahin is saying 600, 300. Well, this can be anything, honestly. I don't know how thick that paratha is. I don't know how many pegs are those. ये मैंने सिर्फ एक idea लेने के लिए किया है. So this is what happens when we see an actual plate in front of us. हम guesstimate कर रहे होते हैं, right? Now those portions can be anything really. अब वो पराठा है it could easily be 150 grams or 70 grams. We can't really know. But by the looks of it and by the looks of, not by the looks of, so अगर मैंने बाहर से कभी पराठा लेके किया, it's around 120 grams. ठीक है, एक पराठा बना हुआ. Now the thing is कि इसके अंदर layers बहुत होती हैं, so it also absorbs a lot of oil. This can easily be 450 to 550 calories, just the paratha. ठीक है, it's kind of like puri. Puri भी deep fried होती है, ये भी deep fried होता है. अगर if you ever seen it, कब जब वो बना रहे होते हैं, कभी आपने उसको सामने से देखा हो. अच्छा, egg जो है, अब इस egg के अंदर जो है वो cheese भी हो सकती है, so we don't really know. So this is how most of us are tracking food on the go. I think the best way to track food is by breaking food items into single food items. So sorry, breaking meals into single food items. So for instance, यहाँ पे पराठा आ गया, रोटी आ गई और eggs आ गए. अब eggs में रोजा लग रहा है यार, कायनात को रोजा लग रहा है अंडा पराठा देख के. This is very funny. अच्छा, अब ये जो पराठा है, how I would track it, I would say roti, okay, and then eggs जो है वो normal eggs. I won't say it's an omelette. I won't say it's a cheese omelette. What I would do is, अगर इसके अंदर चीज है, मैं चीज separately track करूंगा, eggs को separate track करूंगा, पराठे को रोटी में और oil में break down कर दूंगा, and then egg में जो oil use हुआ वो अलग करूंगा. You know why? Because अभी जो egg है, मेरे अगर घर पे बनेगा, मैं इसमें 1 टीस्पून से कम ऑयल डालूंगा, क्योंकि आपने इसको डीप फ्राई किया. Who knows? Is that correct, Shita? Right? So that's one. Second is our shawarma. That's very true, Ramcha. So this is the issue I had. So see, I had been using MyFitnessPal since 2012. So अगर आप हिसाब लगा लें, अभी 2026 चल रहा है, मुझे 14 साल हो गए MyFitnessPal को यूज करते हुए और ट्रैकिंग करते हुए. And I had wished कि कोई कैलोरीज टाइप की एप्लीकेशन बना दे, but no one did. Right? ना किसी ने एजुकेट किया, ना किसी ने इस तरह का टूल बनाया. अच्छा, please go and answer on the poll. There's another poll that's up. We want to understand how many calories do you think it's got. It looks pretty yummy though. उसके साथ तो सॉस कितनी अच्छी लग रही है. छोटी स्क्रीन पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था वैसे. What's the result like? 5 people have said what? 500 to it's a tie. Yeah.
And there's this one person who said 400 to 500.
400. Who is this person who's underestimating calories like by a lot? ये 400-500 कैलोरीज वाला कौन है? प्लीज ये कैलोरीज मुझे भी दे दें ताकि मैं भी जो है वो खुशी से खाना शुरू करूं. But no, this has at least 600 to 700 calories and more if you use those sauces on the side. So हमें sauces भी count करनी है. Whether we count those calories or not, those calories count as well. And Kainat, yeah, that's true. It's definitely more than 700 calories. Achha. Moving on. This is going to be the fun one. बिरयानी वाले में मुझे बताएं कि क्या ख्याल है आप लोगों का, इसमें कितनी कैलोरीज होंगी? Kainat's like 100,000 calories.
10,000.
10,000, it's 100,000. Let's make extra 0,000. But yeah. Okay, someone said sub 700 to 800 calories. Exactly. You guys are right. Yeah. So see, अगर ये घर की बिरयानी हो या बाहर की बिरयानी हो, calories जो है वो almost more or less same ही होंगी. अच्छा, अब देखें, how would you track this if you were tracking it in MyFitnessPal? Before what I told you, what calories can do and how you should track it, how would you track it? I want to see it in the chat. Can you please tell me in the chat? How would you track this plate? Let's say if it's Chronometer or MyFitnessPal or ChatGPT. अगर आप ChatGPT कर भी रहे, what's your prompt like? Write the prompt. I want to know. We just simply write 1 plate chicken biryani. Exactly. Achha, Navya is saying that she would weigh it. Navya, would you want to work with calories?
She's my friend.
She's a friend? Crazy. Sarah used to enter MyFitnessPal that has the most calories. But what's most calories? What if वो most calories है वो 450 होगा.
Yeah.
So grams of rice, grams of chicken, grams of oil, grams of veggies basically break down the ingredients. So I know I literally just said this, but I know I'm kidding. Yeah, this is the right, but this is how it should be. Enter cooked potatoes, chicken, rice, and then oil. Yeah, this is how it should be tracked. But most people, by most I mean 99.9% of the people, they just go on MyFitnessPal and write one plate biryani and they track it. And some of us, even like I've done this too as well. उसमें ये होता है कि जब मैं बिरयानी सर्च करूँ मैं देखूंगा सबसे कम किसमें कैलोरीज हैं. मैं उसको ट्रैक करूंगा ताकि मैं ज्यादा खाना खा सकूं. और फिर हम बोलते हैं oh वेट तो कम नहीं हो रहा हमारा. अच्छा, Rams is saying ounce of chicken, cups of cooked. अच्छा, so ये cups of cooked, ये जो आपका एक कप है, ठीक है? How do you know that's the cup that MyFitnessPal is talking about? There's no standard cup, by the way. एक चाय के कप हम लोग घर पे जो बनाते हैं वो चाय के कप से भी हम लोग नाप के डाल देते हैं कि ये कप हो गया. So how do we even know कि क्या है? And और ये ounces of chicken है. It's very hard to track this way. So yeah, anyway, third one is this. Is it the third or the fourth? Fourth. I would choose biryani entry that has the most calories in MyFitnessPal. But Sarah, how do you know what's most calories? Cool. I want to see the 450 to 650. Interesting. 600. Now everyone's like
That's
on the
all.
higher end. You were like, no. This would definitely have 9,000.
Again, pasta is also pure food.
Yeah. Now it's also like chicken bone, boneless ways, different. So yes, myself tracking as well. Very true. The spaghetti bowl would have 600 to 700 calories. Kumar, why do you think it has 600 to 700 calories? It doesn't even have any meat. It's a veggie pasta. This is really cool. I am excited. What's the result like? Sorry,
It's a tie.
it's a tie?
Actually, no. Most people are saying 450 or 600.
Spaghetti is carbs made from maida. So what's wrong with maida? Or what's wrong with carbs? Spaghetti is high carb rich, more carbs are high calorie. Fat is the highest in calories. I mean, usually take unlimited amounts. That's the issue because it doesn't have much vegetable, na, so it's not satiating. So आपका पेट नहीं भरेगा और आप आते जाएंगे. अगर tasty होगा तो फिर तो आप रुकेंगे भी नहीं.
Taha, are you saying the food is not the problem, the portion is?
Absolutely, the portion is the amount we eat. The amount we eat. Acha, this is really cool. Yeah, I'm really glad we're doing this. 50 to 60 grams is a good amount of regular pasta. 50 to 60 grams of pasta is nothing. आप raw की बात कर रही है ना क्योंकि वो 300 ग्राम बनेगा cook होके. The lack of protein will also not satiate you, will make you have more portions. Very true. Yes, raw. Okay, ठीक है, Kumar, that's good. But 50 to 60 grams of pasta, again, you can have as much pasta as you want, as long as you're ensuring that you're eating in your calorie limit. ठीक है? It's slippery to people. I'm loving it. Okay. So, wait. We didn't do the demo. Let me now give you a quick demo, okay? So what calories can do and how it works. Just give me a second. Shiza, can you share the Google Meet link with me on WhatsApp? You guys have a lot of fun. Let's get into the demo, please. I have a hard stop. Yes, Kainat, I'm getting into it. The links on somewhere, I'm not sure. Just give me a second. Track class, मैं तो depression में चली जाऊंगी सोच के. नहीं, track class in a sense के tracking का तरीका different होगा ना. So, open link. Yes. Cool. I'm here. Share my screen. Share one app. And let me know which screen are you seeing right now. Can you see the phone? Homepage, perfect. Okay, so right now it's got walk, steps, sleep, hydration, current weight. Right now you'll have to add these manually because we're working on the integrations. But once the integration's done, ये सारी की सारी चीजें जो है वो आपके स्मार्ट ट्रैकर्स जो हैं या स्मार्ट वॉचेस हैं उससे सिंक हो जाएगा तो आपको ये खुद से मैनुअली भी करना पड़ेगा एक्सेप्ट फॉर योर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल एंड एक्सेप्ट फॉर हाइड्रेशन बिकॉज़ पानी कोई ट्रैक नहीं कर सकता यू हैव टू गो एंड मैनुअली ट्रैक अच्छा बट व्हाट आई वांट टू शो यू सो गो टू CalNotes नाउ वी हैव डिफरेंट ways of tracking food. MyFitnessPal में हमारे पास पिक्चर भी होगी, MyFitnessPal में हमारे पास सर्च वाला ऑप्शन भी है. हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि जो सर्च वाला ऑप्शन है, it's not as efficient because उसमें जो है वो different बस आइटम्स बना के उन्होंने डाले में. You don't really know exactly आप कितना खा रहे हैं. And yes, Komal, let me show you. So we have these three ways of tracking food. So number one is text to track. Okay. Let's say you were chatting with me and you want to say कि तहा मुझे जो है ये spaghetti track करनी है. This spaghetti, you know, that we just saw had 200 grams of boiled spaghetti, 50 grams of tomatoes, and then 20 ml or 20 grams of oil. So here's what you would do. You would say 200 gram boiled spaghetti, and then we said tomato 50 gram, and then 20 gram oil. Now MyFitnessPal में क्या करना पड़ता है आपको? आप जाके search पे जाते, आप वहाँ लिखते oil, फिर 20 grams पे ट्रैक किया, फिर आपको boiled spaghetti ढूंढनी पड़ती, फिर आप boiled spaghetti करके करेंगे, and then tomato करना पड़ेगा, वो अलग से आपको करना पड़ेगा. That's 6 edit steps, ठीक है? यहाँ पे आपने सिर्फ analyze का बटन दबाया, and let's see if it works. Please work. आ गया. So it's saying this meal has about 450 calories, ठीक है? और इसमें boiled spaghetti है, उसमें इतनी calories हैं, इतने carbs और fats हैं. Tomato में 9 calories हैं, and then इतने carbs, and then oil is mostly fat. ठीक है? That's one feature that we have. अभी इसके अंदर recipe analyzer आ जाएगा. So basically what will happen is यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे chicken कढ़ाई, नीचे आप context में लिखेंगे पाकिस्तानी, और पाकिस्तानी के हिसाब से मेंशन करेंगे 200 ग्राम. No, you don't need brand names. See, एक तरीके से this is accurate, but when we start getting obsessed with these things, हम अपने लिए बहुत ज़्यादा overcomplicate कर रहे हैं. And then what happens is कि हम वो ट्रैकिंग करते नहीं because हमारे अंदर perfectionist mindset होता है. या तो हम ट्रैक करेंगे तो बिल्कुल perfectly करेंगे, या हम ट्रैक ही नहीं करेंगे. So brand name, no. Spaghetti आप पाकिस्तान में अगर हैं तो बेक पार्लर की मिल रही होगी. अगर आप कोई imported देख रहे होंगे तो वो होंगी कोई. But the thing is कि आप किसी और ब्रांड की लें या फिर लोकल लें, कैलोरीज और मैक्रोज more or less will be the same. So हम लोगों ने स्टैंडर्डाइज कर दिया है. No one will have to guess कि यार कौन से ब्रांड का है, कौन से ब्रांड का नहीं है. You can still do it if you want, but it's of no use. ठीक है? मसला ये है कि अगर आप ब्रांडेड और वो सब चीजें भी देख के ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, if you don't know what you're doing with it, you won't get to your goals. आपका वेट कम नहीं होगा, वेट गेन नहीं होगा, हेल्थ अचीव नहीं होगी. If that makes sense. Then let's say कि अंडा पराठा था, ठीक है? So हम we would say 80 gram roti, 2 eggs, ठीक है? बल्कि wait, yeah, 2 eggs. एक स्लाइस होता है चीज का 28 ग्राम cheddar cheese. कोमल is already sold. कोमल मैं सब्सक्रिप्शन का लिंक भेज रहा हूँ आपको. अच्छा 28 grams cheddar cheese, and then paratha and anda will definitely have more than 30 grams of oil. ठीक है? थोड़ा overestimate कर रहा हूँ to get a better idea. So this is how you would track anda paratha. It's saying 738 calories. ठीक है? So रोटी की कैलोरीज आ गई, एग्स की कैलोरीज आ गई, cheddar cheese and then oil. This is how you track food. अगर आप MyFitnessPal में करते हैं, आपको 4 different items करके करना पड़ता, you can still do it. यहाँ पे करेंगे, it's just going to make your life easy. Now you can chat with it just like you would if you were chatting with your friend. या अगर मैं आपका कोच हूँ, आप मुझे बता रहे होते, so आप करते. By the way, can I request you, or some of you, to take a picture of this and post on your socials and tell people that, yeah, you know, we have built something here that can actually help people locally. अच्छा, अब मैं इसमें आपको थोड़े देसी खाने भी दिखाऊंगा कि देसी खाने हम किस तरीके से ट्रैक कर सकते हैं. maybe if you have any ideas, आपकी कोई recipes हैं that you want to track, name them and I'll track them for you quickly. ठीक है? अच्छा, Ramsa is saying, how would you track any bad tortilla? Especially here in Jeddah, you get different macros for fiber for them. Will I have to add macros? See, आप यहाँ पे ये कर सकती हैं. Let's say कि आपने एक whole grain या whole wheat bar ले लिया. So you would say 70 gram whole wheat tortilla. अगर आपको लगे कि इसके अंदर मैक्रोस जो है वो कम आ रहे हैं तो आप इसके अंदर जाके 3 ग्राम फाइबर ऐड कर दें, राइट? अगर आपको लग रहा है कि इसमें प्रोटीन कम आ रहा है, आप प्रोटीन कर सकते हैं, आई डोंट थिंक वो होगा. अगर हम इसको भी ट्रैक करेंगे, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. So it's saying 190 calories. उसमें carbs 32 grams हो गए, 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन हो गया, and then 4 grams of fat. ठीक है? It's as easy. आपको कोई वो exaggerate करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अच्छा, अभी मैं chicken का सालन, I have no idea of the ingredients or the ways, as it has a little bit of what she made for the whole house. How do I track this? If I had a picture in front of me, I could guesstimate and then track. But मुझे बताएं कि उसके अंदर chicken का सालन है ना, what all does it have? How many botis did you get? वो तो आपको पता होगा. Ingredients में देखिए क्या होता है कि chicken का कोई सालन है, उसके अंदर जो कैलोरी वाली चीजें हैं, that's oil, chicken, maybe some yogurt, that's it. जो बाकी सब्जियां हैं उसके अंदर इतनी कैलोरीज नहीं होती. हाँ, टोमेटो अगर हम लोगों ने 300 ग्राम का जो है वो लेके उसमें एक बोटी रख के पका ली, then maybe I would want to track 30-40 calories. So tomatoes, 2-3 botis, 1 roti. ठीक है? So let's say each boti is maybe 20 grams. That's 60 grams chicken breast. ठीक है? हमने boneless कर दिया उसको. Let's say आपकी जो रोटी है, it's 80 gram roti, and then हमने बोल दिया चले 50 gram tomato कर दिया. This is how I would track. Right? Sorry, हाँ मैंने oil नहीं किया. Sorry. She's not very cool. Thank you. इसमें मैंने oil कर दिया. Let's say 3 teaspoon oil. Again, मुझे idea नहीं है. I'm just overestimating and guesstimating right now.
हो सकता है कि अम्मी ने पूरे सालन में 2-3 टीस्पून यूज किया है.
We're guesstimating right now. So हमारे पास custom meal आ गई, chicken breast, roti, tomato, oil, and we are now tracking it. पर अम्मी का सालन is floating in oil. ये देखें मैं क्या करने लगा. मैंने 10 grams कर दिया 3 grams को. I'm just kidding, by the way, Kaina. This is not how it's done, but I think it's just better. अच्छा, चलें जितनी देर ये हो गया. Now what I'll do is I will share my screen so I can show you. Can I do both? Oh wait, let me do this. Let me show you what is happening. Can I get a share? Can I? Thank you. Okay. Let me show you something. Okay. So what are we exactly seeing here? So this is the full scale we have. हमने इसको on कर दिया, and then here रखा, and then what we'll do is we'll start with this lotus tart. Okay. So हमने plate रखी, इसको हमने tear किया, and then मैंने इस पे tart रखा. It's saying 27.4 grams. Now you know what I will do? I'll go here. I'll say 27.4 gram lotus tart, and that's one way to track. ठीक है? So हमारे पास उसकी कैलोरीज आ गई. Now I don't have let's say an idea कि मेरे पास ये स्केल नहीं है इसका. ठीक है? So हमने इसको हटा दिया. अभी हमारे पास more or less कैलोरीज आ गई 112. ठीक है? अब मैं गया scan to track, scan a meal. ठीक है? I'll say take a picture. ये आ गया. मैंने इसकी पिक्चर ली एंड इसको मैंने प्रूव किया. अब मुझसे वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट पूछ रहा है. नाउ दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज समथिंग दैट इज मिसिंग इन मोस्ट, एक्चुअली नॉट मोस्ट, ऑल ऑफ द एप्लीकेशंस. ठीक है? बट वी वांट टू चेंज दिस. वी वांट टू एम्पावर यू एंड टेल यू के यू कैन डू बेटर. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल डू. सो अब आप लिखेंगे इसके अंदर 1 लोटस tart, और मे बी इसको आप छोटा वो कहते हैं 1 small lotus tart. So now you can track food on the go. You can eat, you can track, you can move on without like really feeling like क्या ये नहीं हो पा रहा. ठीक है. सो अब देखिए इसमें कैलोरीज बता दी, अभी इसने 52 बता दी. इट्स नॉट एज एक्यूरेट, हमने इसमें स्मॉल लिखा था. बट इफ आई गो बैक एंड इफ आई टेक अनदर पिक्चर and I show you, see the context is everything. अगर मैं वहाँ पे जाके context में चीजें कुछ उल्टी सीधी लिख दूंगा तो वो उस हिसाब से track करेगा. And this is what makes this a better solution. Now I'll say one lotus start. और मैं उनसे वहाँ पूछ सकता हूँ कि इसमें कितने जो है वो ग्राम्स होंगे. अगर ग्राम्स होगा तो मैं यहाँ पे आके ग्राम्स एडिट कर सकता हूँ. अदरवाइज जैसे how to track one glass of रूह अफ़ज़ा. See, one glass of रूह अफ़ज़ा, if again this is a very vague thing. अब उस एक ग्लास के अंदर अगर 250, let me rephrase it. Let's say ये ग्लास है and if this glass is or has the capacity for 250 ml liquid, ठीक है. अगर मैं उसमें इतना रूह अफ़ज़ा डालूंगा which is maybe 2 tablespoon, maybe 20 grams of carbs, I would track it differently. अगर मैं उसमें इतना डाल दूंगा रूह अफ़ज़ा और इतना सा पानी होगा, calories different हो जाएंगी. No, calories doesn't have a barcode tracking, but calories has something better. Let me show you. Can we open up a nutrition label? कोई है हमारे पास खुला हुआ? Let me show you. कोमल, हमने जिंदगी आसान की है. ठीक है, अब ये हमारा लोटस स्टार्ट आ गया, मैंने उसको ट्रैक किया and I can track it and I can move on. So this is for all of those foods जहाँ पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी होती है, हमारे पास स्केल नहीं होता, हमें बस ट्रैकिंग करनी है. So हम ट्रैक करके we can move on. Now our cal coach can actually help us make more sense of इसमें हो क्या रहा है और अगर हमारे गोल्स नहीं अचीव हो रहे वो क्यों नहीं हो रहे and all of those things. हाँ, दूध का डब्बा I think would be better. Sorry. अच्छा कोमल, so see the thing is कि पाकिस्तान के पास जो है ना वो अपना फूड डेटाबेस नहीं है. We are building our own food database, but उसमें भी हमें जो है ना वो issues ये आते हैं कि जो खाने हैं, जो बारकोड है इसका वो मैच नहीं करता न्यूट्रिशन लेवल से. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज, खैर हमारे तो यहाँ पे अभी प्रूफ ये भी हो गया कि ये जो न्यूट्रिशन लेवल्स लगे होते हैं ये भी एक्यूरेट नहीं होते. बट एनीवे, लेट्स से ये हमारे पास जो है मैं आपको दिखाऊं. सो दिस इज द न्यूट्रिशन लेवल, राइट. इट सेज प्रोटीन 3.1 gram per 100 ml, right? So here's what you will do. So instead of tracking barcodes, we had done something better. So आप गए, आपने जाके न्यूट्रिशन लेवल खोला, आपने जाके इसको स्कैन किया, take a picture, ठीक है, आपने ओके किया, and then see what it does. So all of this is AI powered, right? This is where we have implemented AI to make our use case even more personal and better. And now you can track whatever, ठीक है. अच्छा, अब ये देखें मुझे बता रहा है पर 100 उसमें जो है वो 58 कैलोरीज थी. ये देखें, so 58 कैलोरीज, ये 58 कैलोरीज आ गई. Here it says 58 calories. It says 3.1 grams of protein, ठीक है. फिर उसके कार्ब्स आ गए और जो फैट्स आ गए. So now you can just, अच्छा अभी इसमें ऑप्शन आ जाएगा कि आप अपनी मील का नाम चेंज कर सकते हो. You will just say कि Prima 100% cow's milk and you can track it and move on, ठीक है. So yeah, this is how easier it can get. So now you can track all of this. Okay, so like tracking drinks is something hard to do. Yeah, so Kainat, so what we've done is we are building our own database. A part of it is we're contextualizing it. So जितने भी cafes और restaurants हैं, we're onboarding them all, ठीक है. So let's say अब मैं आपको और funny चीज, not funny नहीं, more sophisticated solution दिखाता हूँ. So now let's go to our cal coach, ठीक है. I've been chatting with it for a while. I would like to know कि Zender's के Babur pasta में कितनी calories हैं because हमारे पास उसका database है, ठीक है. So I'll say Zender's Babur pasta calories, ठीक है. It's just me having fun with this. So Kaina, this is how you will be able to track. Now अब आपके जो cafes और restaurants और ये जो shops हैं, अब ये उनकी भी responsibility होगी कि वो हमारे साथ आके काम करें, हमारे साथ collaborate करें and help us build this database that we want to give to our people, right? So अभी हमारे पास तकरीबन 120 plus जो है वो cafes और restaurants हैं. Some of like one of them is Zender's, and then उसके अलावा हम लोग, ये सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में नहीं होगा by the way. This is a system that we're building that we can replicate everywhere. So हमारे पास जद्दा से लोग हैं, हमारे पास US से हैं, हमारे पास जगह-जगह से लोग हैं. All of these people will, ये देखें क्या कह रहा है. But again, so ये अभी accurate नहीं है इसकी calories, but then this is what we have in our database. Check this out. I want to have something that has 40 grams of protein and I am going to, अब ये चीज या तो आप अपने कोच से पूछेंगे या अपने किसी फ्रेंड से पूछेंगे, ठीक है, but you can just ask Cal coach. How should I ask my local तिक्के वाला to join you? नहीं, लोकल तिक्के वाले को नहीं करना ना, तिक्का तो is the same. तिक्का अगर 100 ग्राम का है तो 100 ग्राम तिक्का में more or less same कैलोरीज होंगी. आप ये देख के बता सकती हैं कि हाँ उसमें एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल है कि नहीं. अगर एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल नजर आ रहा है, ट्रैक दैट एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल. अगर आपको लग रहा है उसमें 2 टीस्पून जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल है, सो 100 ग्राम चिकन ब्रेस्ट आपने किया और 2 से 3, अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा डाउट हो रहा है आप 4 टीस्पून उसमें ट्रैक कर लें. दिस इज हाउ यू ट्रैक लोकल फूड. नाउ चेक दिस आउट. अब मैंने बोला कि आई वांट टू ईट समथिंग दैट हैज 40 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. नाउ लेट्स से ऑल ऑफ अस हियर कलेक्टिवली हम सब के 40 ग्राम जो है वो प्रोटीन रह गए हैं पूरे दिन में और कैलोरीज हमारे पास 600 से 700 है, ठीक है, एंड वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू Xanders. दिस इज व्हाट विल डू. My internet, can you see my screen, Shiza? My internet is acting out. But yeah, see, ये टिक्का हो गया, eggs हो गए, ये कुछ चीजें जो है ना ये staple होती हैं. These foods are the same, so you can just track them as something similar and go. What if I'm having chicken biryani from the local shop and also from home? Would there be a difference? Yes. कैलोरीज का बहुत फर्क होता है. बाहर जब बनता है तो उसमें चावल कम, ऑयल ज्यादा होता है. जैसे घर पे बनता है उसमें चावल और प्रोटीन नहीं, उसमें प्रोटीन कम होता है और चावल बहुत ज्यादा होता है, ऑयल थोड़ा सा मॉडरेट होता है. सो या अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ये क्या हो रहा है, कितना हो रहा है, आई थिंक ये बहुत मैटर करता है इन चीजों में. दिस इज सो सैड. व्हाई इज दिस नॉट वर्किंग? लेट मी जस्ट गो बैक एंड शो यू. सो ये देखिए, मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. मैंने उसको बोला कि व्हाट डिड आई ईट टुडे. उसने कहा आपने कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने उसको बताया कि नहीं भाई मैंने खाया है. सो उसने मुझे मेरे पूरे दिन की कैलोरीज बता दी. उसने बताया ये सारी चीजें. फिर मैंने उसको बोला Xanders पास्ता. उसने मुझे उसके मैक्रोज और कैलोरीज भी बता दी, ठीक है, जो कि हमारे उसमें है. हमारे पास यहाँ पे where I'm sitting we have a beef cheese sandwich. अब उसके अंदर अगर स्पेसिफाई करेंगे तो चीजें हमारी वो स्पेसिफिकेशन के हिसाब से बता देगा. अदरवाइज वो आपको जेनेरिक बता सकता है कि हाँ अगर लेट्स सपोज फोकाशिया ब्रेड का जो है बीफ सैंडविच है, हाउ यू कैन ट्रैक इट, तो आप उसके पोर्शंस के हिसाब से कैलोरीज वो बता सकता है. then I told it the entire recipe. मैंने उसको बताया कि ब्रेड जो सैंडविच है उसके अंदर 40 ग्राम्स ब्रेड होती है, 20 ग्राम चीज होती है और 100 बीफ 40 ग्राम होता है. सो इट्स टेलिंग मी कि इसके अंदर एस्टिमेटेड कैलोरीज है वो इतनी होंगी. अभी इसमें मैंने एक चीज नहीं की थी जानबूझ के, which was the oil. मैंने इसमें ऑयल मेंशन नहीं किया, जो बटर था बेसिकली. सो अगर मैं वो अकाउंट करूंगा दिस विल इजीली बी अराउंड 600 कैलोरीज, ठीक है. फिर मैंने उसको पूछा कि इसके अंदर कितनी कैलोरीज हैं और प्रोटीन है, तो उसने मुझे एक रफली बताया कि इसके अंदर 950 है. सो यू कैन डू ऑल ऑफ दिस within this application right now. This is like your actual coach. Now I want to say, why am I not losing fat though I've been doing everything correct? Now let's see what it says. Okay, there's something wrong with my phone's Wi-Fi right now, so it'll be a little tricky, but it should work. By the way, I'm so thankful to all 22 of you for being here, for sticking around. And so yet again, so the thing is, I am a very empathetic coach, okay? I'm very compassionate as well. If you came to me and if you told me, okay, listen, yaar, why am I not losing weight? I would first like to understand why, whatever's happening, right? So my tone of voice is very different when I hear these kind of questions. So this Cal coach is literally trained to do that, okay? It is empathetic, it is compassionate, it won't bully you into doing anything. आप ChatGPT पे आके बोले मुझे आज एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी, क्या करूँ? वो बोलेगा चलो देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. आप बोले नहीं मुझे मारो और बोलो करो. वो बोलेगा चलो मैं तुम्हें जो है ना वो अभी बताता हूँ कैसे करनी है. So ChatGPT को आप जिस तरीके की प्रॉम्प्ट देंगे वो उस हिसाब से बिहेव करेगा. This won't. This is like having me in your pocket 24/7. You can ask all of these kind of questions and get your questions answered. So अब मैंने इसको बोला कि why am I not losing weight, right? So let's suppose अगर अभी आप MyFitnessPal यूज कर रहे हैं, आपने बहुत सारे लोगों ने बताया कि we tried but we quit. The reason was because you had no idea what was happening. ठीक है? This Cal coach has access to your entire app's data. So that means कि उसके पास आपका वेट लॉग भी है, उसके पास आपकी स्लीप का डेटा भी है, उसके पास आपके स्टेप्स का भी है, उसके पास आपके डाइटरी हैबिट्स का भी डेटा है कि आप किस किस्म के खाने खा रहे हैं, किस टाइम पे खा रहे हैं और कितना प्रोटीन खा रहे हैं, कैलोरीज ऊपर है नीचे हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट. अच्छा, अब वो देखें क्या कह रहा है. कह रहा है कि आपका वेट जो है ना वो 90 kg है since November 2025 because that's when I logged my weight the last time. Acha.
Someone has also asked a question.
Which one?
What if I'm having chicken biryani? Sure.
Yeah, I answered that. Acha, so जो मेरा वेट था वो था 90 kg in November. I haven't logged since. तो मेरा वेट नीचे नहीं जा रहा. So मुझे कह रहा है कि I can understand the frustration. And then उसके अंदर जो है ना वो metabolic issues भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, that's one. Hormonal changes हो सकती हैं. Now we're not giving it any context. पर अगर हम इसको context बताएंगे, it can really do better. ठीक है, अब वो कह रहा है कि मैं आपकी जो है ना वो dietary patterns देख सकता हूँ और देख सकता हूँ कि आप हैं कि नहीं. Am I not in a calorie deficit? Now these are the questions that you would ask a coach or a trainer. ठीक है, या आप जाके जो है वो चैट जीपीटी को बार बार सारी चीजें बता रहे होंगे कि भाई मैं ये कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, और फिर चैट जीपीटी जो है ना वो देखेगा कि क्या सीन है क्या नहीं है, and then would get back to you. But the good thing is that this application has access to every single thing. Kanath has left, I think. Yeah. So अब देखिए मैं उसको पूछ रहा हूँ, am I not in a calorie deficit? So this application will help you make sense of things. अच्छा, एक तो ये है कि अभी आप इसमें पूछ सकते हैं. So based on your, अब देखिए क्या जवाब दे रहा है, based on your nutrition summary, March 6 को आपने जो है वो 1100 calories consume की, मेरा इतना था. So वो कह रहा है कि yes, I am in a calorie deficit, but because extreme calorie deficit can also slow down or conserve energy. So मैं exercise नहीं कर रहा, मैं move नहीं कर रहा, मैं बस में भी बैठा हुआ हूँ. एक वो चीज हो सकती है. दूसरा ये हो सकता है कि मेरा जो calorie deficit है, it is not actually a calorie deficit. Maybe मैं 1100 के बजाय मैं 4000 calories है वो daily consume कर रहा हूँ, but I'm not tracking. But if I'm tracking these calories, if I'm making sure कि हाँ ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, then I will keep on making progress, and this can actually troubleshoot you. So मैं insights में जाऊंगा. अब insights को हम जो है ना वो आहिस्ता-आहिस्ता और smart बनाएंगे. अभी वो मुझे कह रहा है कि मैंने 62 इसमें meals track किए हैं. मेरा weight जो है वो recent वाला 88 था. Calories जो है वो मेरी 2163 है जो मैं daily consume करता हूँ, और protein मेरा daily target किया है. फिर recommendations में हम लोग जो है ना ये सारी आपको recommendations देंगे. When you start using it more and more, this can then personalize things for you. So अभी वो बता रहा है hydration, sleep. हो सकता है यहाँ पे आपके लिए specific habits आ जाए. Habits that you want to work on, habits that you want to track, habits that calories can help you achieve. So whether you have a fat loss goal, whether you have a weight loss goal, muscle gain goal, optimal health, this can help you do it, right? Acha, question is, I'm at the supermarket, I'm deciding to do groceries. Is it possible to tell the app items what I'm making for the groceries? Then I bought. Yeah, you can do that. Absolutely. So अब वो जब हमारा जो text to track वाला था, you can do it in that feature. आप उसमें सारी चीजें लिखें, फिर उसमें portion जो है वो, let's suppose आपने 4 portions बनाया और एक आपने खा लिया, 3 जो है आपने रख दिए. So that's what you would track. जैसे आपने कहा था कि हमारे एनर्जी लेवल इतने रिलायबल नहीं होते, तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारे कितने मैक्रोस कंज्यूम करें? That's where our company comes in, right? We are trying to educate people. We're trying to create awareness. और अभी मैं आपको समझ से नहीं बता सकूंगा, बट देना जब आप ट्रैकिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे आपको पता होगा कि 100 ग्राम ब्रेड के अंदर 170 से 200-250 कैलोरीज हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, मसला ये है कि अगर आप अभी जैसे समीत ने एक वीडियो बनाई, इसमें उसने डॉन के 2 डिफरेंट लेवल सिखाए, एक कराची का था, एक आई थिंक पंजाब का था, और उसमें ये था कि एक में लिखा था कि 100 ग्राम्स में जो है वो 57 कैलोरीज है, एक में था आई थिंक 170 कैलोरीज. सो लेबल्स ही गलत प्रिंट किए हैं उन्होंने. सो अगर आप जब ट्रैकिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट ट्रैकिंग ब्रेड एवरी सिंगल डे, यू विल लर्न कि 100 ग्राम के अंदर या 50 ग्राम के अंदर मे बी 90 कैलोरीज होती हैं या 170 कैलोरीज होती हैं 100 ग्राम्स के अंदर. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन डिसर्न, यू कैन बिकम मोर एम्पावर्ड पर्सन. ठीक है, एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट मेकिंग दोज चॉइसेस. If that, like, if that's answered your question. और अगर जब सब्सक्रिप्शन बाय ना करें तो उनका क्या फीचर्स यूज करने को मिलेगा? अगर आप सब्सक्रिप्शन बाय नहीं करेंगे, आपके पास टैक्स वाले फीचर्स होंगे, जो पर्सनलाइज्ड चीजें हैं, जो एआई के बेसिस पे हैं, जो कोचिंग वाला फीचर होगा वो आप एक्सेस नहीं कर सकेंगे. लिमिटेड होगा, बट यू कैन स्टिल यूज इट. कैन आई यूज द ऐप विदाउट जॉइनिंग FOMO? FOMO and calories, these are 2 very separate things. So उनका आपस में एक दूसरे से ताल्लुक नहीं है. ताल्लुक सिर्फ ये है कि मैं वहाँ पे भी कोच हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे भी कोच हूँ. तो वहाँ पे आपको जो है वो डिफरेंट कोचेस मिलेंगे. यू कैन यूज कैलोरीज एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ FOMO, बट यू डोंट हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ FOMO or calories to be a part of any of these. So what's the difference between being a FOMO community member and using an app like Calories or CalCoach? Honestly, FOMO में आपको human coaches मिल रहे हैं. ठीक है, human coaches can add nuance where AI can't yet. ठीक है, अगर AI करने लग जाएगा तो वो न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट को रिप्लेस कर देगा, वो डॉक्टर्स को रिप्लेस कर देगा, एआई खड़े होके सर्जरियां करना स्टार्ट कर देगा, दो वी आर गेटिंग देयर बट वी नॉट देयर येट। अभी जो मैं आपको एम्पैथी वाला चीज बता रहा हूँ, आप जाके जीपीटी को बोलेंगे बुली मी टू वर्क मी आउट, वो बोलेगा अब मैं आपको करवाता हूँ। आप कल को उसको बोलेंगे, वो बोलेगा नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, आई एम हियर टू गाइड यू विथ योर न्यूट्रिशन गोल्स। तो आपको न्यूट्रिशन गोल्स में से हेल्प करेगा। अच्छा, फोमो में we can pick up on nuance that you won't share with us otherwise, right? So let's say आपने आगे बोला एक महीने पहले कि I'm mentally very ill right now, I can't do any of this, and then you keep disappearing, you keep coming back, and then if one day you come and ask us कि यार मुझे ये बताओ कि कराची में सबसे ऊंची बिल्डिंग कौन है, मुझे जाके छत पे देखना है। So अगर कोई अच्छा कोच होगा, they would pick up on the nuance कि आपने बताया था कि हाँ mental health के issues थे, इस तरह का बीच में चलता आया, you keep disappearing, you're not really like in that headspace, and then now you're asking about seeing the skyscraper. That's a weird thing. So human element जो है we can't really replace. But देखिए ना, कुछ लोग जो है वो FOMO में हमारे पास आगे join नहीं कर सकते because it is expensive for them, and we need to understand the context as well. कि 13,000 रुपए या 20,000 रुपए लोगों के लिए निकालना पाकिस्तान में, it is not easy. So calorie risk is for those people as well as for everyone else, but it is primarily for those people who can't have access to qualified coaches like me, Sameer, Ali, Sundar, the coaches that we have. So अगर आप हमारे पास FOMO में नहीं आ सकते या हमारी 101 नहीं access कर सकते, you can literally use this. But then people who are with us in FOMO, you can still use this. You can still be a FOMO part if you like the coaches enough. So that's the big difference. Amal, thank you so much for joining. I think you've already left, but yeah, anyone can download the application right now. I'm going to, where is it? How do I end this? Yeah, okay. So anyone can download the application right now from our Play Store. So Google Play Store and Apple App Store, and you can download it, you can start using it, you can start chatting with it, you can start tracking your food. The more you track, the better. This application will be able to help you, guide you, and all of those things. So that's the goal with calories. Okay, you track food with as less friction as possible. You get more clarity about what your data actually means. In numbers जो आप देख रहे होते हैं, क्या मतलब है? प्रोटीन अगर ऊपर हो जाएगा तो हमारा हंगर क्यों बढ़ रहा है? Calories can guide you. अगर आप let's suppose 2000 कैलोरीज खा रहे हैं, बट वो आप चीनी से खा रहे हैं, so वो आपको बताएगा कि आपने प्रोटीन नहीं लिया, आपने फाइबर नहीं लिया, which is why you're feeling like this. अगर आपकी satiation बहुत कम हो जाए, appetite बहुत बढ़ जाए, it can guide you. जब आप उसमें menstrual cycle track करना start करेंगे, वो आपको एक हफ्ते पहले nudge कर देगा कि you might be experiencing some hormonal changes which might change the way you consume food. तो आप थोड़ा aware हो जाएंगे. जब आप aware हो जाएंगे, you can make better decisions. अगर आपको भूख ज्यादा लग रही है, you can eat more food and be okay with it. So जब आप अपने आप को inform करते हैं, जब आप अपने आप को inform करते हैं, so होता है ये कि एक तो guilt चली जाती है, and then shame also goes away, right? That's the idea. We want to empower you. So now if anyone asks you about Calorist, ठीक है, कि Calorist है वो एक दूसरा food tracker है, it is not. Calorist basically helps you understand what your data actually means, and it guides you, it supports you, it provides accountability so that you keep making progress and keep getting towards your goals. Okay? And then Calorist is a nutrition coach. Calorist is not just a food tracker. जो food tracker है, जैसे MyFitnessPal हो गया या फिर Healthify Me हो गया, these are just food trackers. These are just tools. They're like Excel sheets. अगर मुझे Excel sheet पे फॉर्मूला ही नहीं लगाना आता, तो मैं Excel sheet खोल के क्या करूँगा? मैं उसको चीजें तो सेल तो फिल करना शुरू कर दूंगा, but it's not really useful to me. ठीक है? So context बहुत मैटर करता है, tool का purpose बहुत मैटर करता है, and this is what we have built. This is what the beta users reported to us. 95% ने कहा कि उनकी clarity बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. 70% of these people, they improved their relationship with food. 50% of these people, they became consistent trackers because खाना track करना इतना आसान हो गया उनके लिए, right? And then 76% of these people said that they have actually started eating their favorite foods. Eat foods like biryani. Oh, sorry, this is not a biryani. Brownie. Foods like pizza. So now if you're hitting your macros, if you're hitting your protein, and if you want to have a slice of pizza, go ahead and do it and track it. This time मैंने आपको बताया. And then 60% of the people actually said कि This is the first time data actually makes sense for them, and they can make more informed choices. Um, we're still very early. There are tons and tons of more features coming for you all. हम अपनी community जो है उस पे भी grow पे बहुत focus कर रहे हैं. We're building actually two different programs. So one of them is Caloris Campus. मैंने देखा था कि age जो है वो कुछ की थोड़ी सी यूनिवर्सिटी गोइंग वाली थी, तो मैंने कहा कि मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन करूँ कि we are launching a Caloris Campus. So if you're someone who wants to spread evidence-based nutrition within your campus, or like to your friends and family, please reach out. There's money involved as well. You will get paid. It's not for free. So yeah, and then we're also launching other items as well. We'll attract bakery items. लेकिन bakery items का मैंने आपको बताया, आप text analyzer खोलें, उसमें specify करें, उसको एक दफा weigh कर लें, और उससे mention कर दें कि आप 80 grams chicken chicken pastry या 100 grams spring roll, तो वो आपको track कर सकेगा. आपको नहीं, आपके खाने को. So what questions do you have now? I would be honored to answer because you have stuck for a while, and I'm truly grateful. This is just the start. I'm so excited for what we're about to do, and honestly, you're among the first few people, out of the 100 million people that we're aiming to impact by 2030. I know our vision is crazy, but you're the start. We're here. We're just beginning, and yeah, we'll get there. Aisha का क्या सवाल था? Let me see. Aisha, let me see. What did you ask? This chat is gold. Honestly, I love it.
Can you tell us that after losing weight, how much calories that we need to consume or the deficit we need to follow, move ahead if one hits a weight loss plateau?
Absolutely. So what will happen is, so हर week इसके अंदर एक checking का feature आ जाएगा. Check-in में ये होगा कि हर week आप checking करेंगे. वो checking करने के बाद क्या होगा? It will assess your food diary. So उसमें कितनी calories consume की, कितना protein consume किया, आपके weight loss पे कितना फर्क आया. अगर तो आपको लग रहा है कि आपने बिल्कुल 100% प्रोग्राम फॉलो किया and you still didn't lose any weight, so वो आपकी calories आपको बता के कम कर देगा. Let's say कि आपने calories जो है वो ज़्यादा खाई, आप consistent नहीं थे, आपकी adherence अच्छी नहीं थी, you were maybe tracking 50% of the time, आपको पता होगा. If you're being honest with calories और उसको बता दें कि yeah, you weren't adhering to the program, या आप जो भी follow कर रही थी guidelines, which is why you didn't lose any weight, वो आपको बोलेगा कि ठीक है, let's give it another week, and then उस week के बाद जो है वो आप change कर सकते हैं. This feature will be with or for every user. So whether you're a paid subscriber or not, ये feature आपके पास होगा, because again we want to change behavior. We just don't want to give you tools. We want to change behavior, and change will only happen if we're guiding you in the right direction as well. We have two more questions, I think. So अभी कोई question याद नहीं आ रहा. Once I start using calories, we'll let you know. Thank you, Komal. But just be mindful कि we're still very early. So उसमें कुछ चीजें जो है वो आगे पीछे होंगी. चीजें हम improve कर रहे हैं. आगे पीछे से मतलब है कि हो सकता है कोई flow पे आप जब वो back करें और वो आपको home screen पे ले जाए. ठीक है, इस तरह के issues हो सकते हैं. We're fixing it. So अगर इस तरह का कोई issue आए, please let us know and we will improve. Love how we can copy stuff from our chat with Calcos now. Yes, Uruj. I'm also very happy about it. And developers are not, because मैंने आपको रात को 3 बजे उठा के बोला कि करें. How can I start from scratch with counting calories? How many calories do I need to consume? So Aisha, जब आप calories download करेंगी, वो आपकी onboarding होगी. Onboarding के बाद वो आपको खुद से calories बताएगा कि these are the calories that you should start consuming. Now वो एक baseline number होगा. We can adjust those calories. ठीक है, later on, अगर let's suppose आपको जिसने number दिया 2000 calories, for instance, आप वो consistently follow कर रही है for 3 weeks, आपका weight कम नहीं हुआ. That means कि वो calories आपके लिए हो सकता है ज़्यादा हो, given कि आपका energy expenditure किस type का है. तो हम उस calories को थोड़ा सा कम कर देंगे by 100 or 200, then we'll do it for another 2 or 3 weeks. जितने भी numbers, जितने भी calorie trackers आपको online मिलेंगे, they're all baseline numbers. You have to adjust, you have to tweak those numbers based on what is happening, based on your results. Just download the app, loved it. Aman, thank you so much, man. Really, I had downloaded the app a day ago, wasn't sure at first, but we'll definitely sign up now. Great session. Ramsha, thank you so much for being here. Mahin is away to link the step counter from our phone. Yes, Mahin, you will be able to do it in a few weeks, maybe days, I'm not sure, but definitely a week or so. because we're working on the integrations at the back end. हमारा अभी goal है कि हम आपको एक solid coaching application दे दें. जब वो साथ साथ होता रहेगा, हम साथ साथ इसमें smart watches भी ले आएंगे. So you will be able to integrate your Apple Health or Google or Garmin or Fitbit or whatever you want. Okay. Any other question? Ramcha, by the way, if you had downloaded the app a day before, वो आपके पास जो है ना वो last year वाली application download ही होगी, so it's not this. This application is like a whole different game. We have revamped the entire application. Please share stories. If you write something, if you write about this somewhere, do let us know. Do tag us so we can give you a shout out as well. And just get yourself with adjusting calories according to a lifestyle. Like I'm a researcher who's working with cancer research. I spend most of my time in lab. I'm active, but how do I count this activity? Can I log this activity for my? You don't need to count this. You can count this just for your own sake so that you know how active you are. But इससे आपकी कैलोरीज का इतना कोई ऐसा ताल्लुक नहीं है, ठीक है? ये चीज हम बता नहीं सकते क्योंकि आज आप 2000 स्टेप्स कर रही होंगी, परसों आपके 5000 हो जाएंगे, फिर मे बी 200 हो जाए, right? So these things vary. We don't need to. Can't tag you on Insta. मेरी लिस्ट में सांप है, नजर लगा देते हैं. कोई मसला नहीं है, मेरे हाथ पे भी सांप है, मैं उनको कर लूंगा. No, I'm kidding. Actually, don't do it. अभी मैं I have dealt with it enough. So no, thank you so much. Sorry. Excuse me. Anything else? We have 16 people said. I am loving it. Thank you, Daha, for an incredible session. I hope it was incredible. Pretty thankful for everyone who joined us. I think we should conclude now. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on Instagram, LinkedIn. I think I'm everywhere. So, by the way, this is Shiza. She is a part of our team here at Caloris, and she's the one who was giving you all of the polls to answer on. अगर उसमें कोई मसला था, इनको पकड़े आप. Thank you so much, everyone, and looking forward to you all being part of Caloris. All right, take good care. Bye-bye. Thank you.